Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to rank all the Star Wars movies. Let's go. Episode 1. I like episode 1. It's not a bad movie. It sets up the rest of episode 2 and 3 for you nicely. Also, it sets up a bit of the originals also. Not really, but a tiny bit. B. Put it in the middle. It was an okay movie. Pretty solid. Pretty okay. Okay, next up is Attack of the Clones. I'm not too keen on this one, if I may say so myself. I did not think that it was very good. Okay, Attack of the Clones. I'm gonna put it C. Why am I putting it C? Because I didn't think it was a good movie. That's all I can say. I mean, it just wasn't for me. Okay, episode 3. This is my favorite Star Wars movie. Not gonna lie. S tier. Okay, next is episode 4. We're just spamming these good movies, aren't we now? I'm gonna put it low A. I thought it was very good. It's the original Star Wars movie. I'm pretty sure it came out in 1989. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. Yeah, I just thought it was so good. Next movie. Okay, this is the second Star Wars movie that they made. I'm gonna put it A tier. I think it was okay, but I thought that it was the best part was the ending. I didn't think the rest of the movie was that good. Just the ending had a very the ending had a very special place in my heart. If you've watched the ending, you know what I mean. But if you haven't, I'm not gonna give any spoilers, so no need to worry. Okay, we have Return of the Jedi. I'm gonna put him high A. Why did I put him high A? Because I thought it was a very steady movie the whole way through. Also there was a new villain, which was very cool. Of course, I'm not going to spoil it. But you know what I mean. Okay. Now we got to the sequels. This is my own opinion, but I think the sequels are garbage. Because I just feel like they just copied the originals. Like, so A New Hope against Force Awakens. There's both in both movies. There's a huge machine that destroys planets. Also, the main character is from a desert planet. So, yeah. I'm going to put it high C. Probably the best of the sequels, I think. The Last Jedi. I thought. That's hard. I'm going to put it right there. probably one of my least favorite Star Wars movies. I didn't like it. Again, it copied Empire Strikes Back. Last movie, I'm going to put it middle C. Why did I put it C tier? It brought, well, this is a spoiler, okay, guys? So just pause the video and skip it about 15 seconds. Basically, the returning villain from the Return of the Jedi, Palpatine, that's his name, has come back from the dead because he died in the first movie. That's it. Spoilers gone. Alright, so that's my tier list, guys. I'm not usually too cold-hearted. I'm not cold-hearted enough to put any of these movies in D. I don't think they deserve it. That's all I'm gonna say. And comment if you think I'm wrong about my tier list. Like, comment your tier list in the comments. And also remember to, you know what I'm gonna say, remember to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and hit that bell for notifications. I'll see you next time.